Hello everybody and welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home everybody. So happy to see you here today. So today we are going to prepare a salad, a very easy salad.
Yeah, well, in the summer we always make salads.
Yeah.
And this is one we use when our daughter thinks she is vegetarian.
We have an issue. We love our daughter dearly, but she changes from vegan to vegetarian to normal eater to pescatarian to vegan non-stop.
Carnivorian.
Oh yeah, fine. She's like, well, I need a steak. It is what it is. So today we're going to do a vegan salad.
It's a vegan salad.
So
right.
that's what we're going to do it. And the base is lentils.
Yeah, so let's go.
Shall we go? Let's go. Vamos. Hello everybody. Let me turn the camera around. If it wants. Hello. Turn. Okay, here we go. So, our beautiful tiles with some tomatoes today and some flowers. But let us show you what you are going to be needing to cook today. So we have some pre-cooked lentils. So we don't want to work it. Okay, so you have them pre-cooked. Then you need some parsley, some thinly, everything is super thinly cut, chopped. We have purple onion, you have red pepper, you have green pepper, sorry.
Yes,
green pepper.
Daltonism there.
So cucumber and some tomatoes, okay? And then to dress up, you need some good olive oil, some black pepper, white pepper, salt, and instead of vinegar, we are going to use lemon. See?
Okay. So, right.
You're going to see how difficult it is.
It's super difficult. So, the most difficult thing is that we're going to chop the parsley. And then maybe we've shown you in some other program, but we do it in a glass and with a scissor. I mean, there are fancier ways to do it, but this is cleaner, quicker. You don't mess.
Look at that. You know, it's not a mess. It's easy. It's, as you say, it's simple. The only complication of this recipe really is to have everything pre-chopped. Right? So that's pretty much all the difficulty that this is going to have. Another thing about this recipe is that it's good in the moment you make it, but if you give it half an hour, 45 minutes or 1 hour, it's going to be even better. Okay? Because all the flavors are going to mix. And
okay, so let's do something. I'm going to make it small because my father is coming for lunch and he hates
dinner, and
he's
right. Very picky.
So something we are going to need is to strain this
so
purple onion.
Hold it. So these onions, I don't know if you can see, but they are in vinegar. Okay, so
they cannot see probably, but
I don't think you can see.
I'm going to strain it.
Yeah, because the vinegar, it takes a little bit of the acidity to the onion, and no, it's not acidity.
It's not acidity, it's the sharpness of the onion.
Yeah, so it's easier on the taste if you do it with a little bit. We had it like how much? An hour?
No, 15 minutes.
15-20 minutes, nothing. Easy peasy. So
right. So let me.
Here she comes.
Okay. Let me get. So I'm going to put all the tomatoes. I'm going to use. This is what? One pepper, one green pepper, one whole pepper. I mean, it's up to you, of course. Cucumber.
It was a very big cucumber, so we only put half of it.
Yeah, and then we'll see about the onion.
Maybe two. That's too. It was a very large onion.
Yeah, but I like onion.
Me too. Look, I mean, just look at the summer
Look at the
colors.
colors.
It's like, oh.
All right.
So good.
And I'm going to put all the parsley. And, right, so that's it. And I'm going to, we have already washed it. Going to use some lemon zest.
Okay, here we have another family discussion. You see how she's grinding or doing the thing? She's moving this metallic part. I don't do it. What I do is I move the lemon. I don't know what you guys do. Here we have the debate. No, this is the right way. No, this is the right way. No, this is the right way.
What is more comfortable for you? Yeah. I just know how much zest zest I'm using, so that's why I do it. So zest. This is the zest of a whole lemon. It's this.
By the way, yes, what we agree, no matter what we do, is that you cannot touch the white part. Okay, so from the lemon, this is as deep as you can go. If you go to the white part, it's going to be very, very bitter. Okay.
So, yeah, I think half the, yeah, we'll see. You have to try, actually.
Yeah. I mean, this is a recipe like quantities. We give you an estimation, but it is pretty much whatever.
I mean, you also have to consider that the onion has some vinegar in it, so it's going to...
You don't want to make...
Yeah, you have to be careful, that's all.
So...
we don't use mayonnaise.
She doesn't use mayonnaise.
Well, I think it's a pity to use mayonnaise in everything.
I love mayonnaise, okay? I am a mayonnaise lover.
No, but...
And she makes fun of me.
Yeah, actually. But you don't eat this salad with mayonnaise. You eat many other things with mayonnaise, which I don't understand. All right, so olive oil. Be nice to your family and your body. Get a good quality olive oil.
This olive oil that we are using now here, it is from, let me show it. Okay, we don't get any money for publicity, but, well, what I do is she's emulsionating. But this amazing olive oil, okay, let's see if it focuses. There we go. It's the Hacienda Keiles. This has won twice the best olive oil in the world, and it is produced here in Navarra. So it's like an hour away from our home. Anyway, we love that olive oil. So please use good olive oil.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so you have the dressing. If you shake it, let me hold it. If you shake it, that's what you put in a jar. It gets all creamier. Okay, and you just
add it, and then you need to. Okay, these are my grandma's
silverware. We have decided that we're gonna, instead of keeping it in the wardrobe, never using all of these things, we're gonna start using them because it doesn't make sense not to use this magnificent silverware and the glasses and everything.
You're going to use everything, and if they break, they break.
Yeah, I mean, they have lasted.
Well, I mean, this is not going to break, but...
No, but a glass or some of the porcelain that we have. Oh my God, look at that summer
thing.
It's like good, easy, delicious, and perfect. So
Great.
There we go. Want to do a serving out of it?
Okay, let's make a small portion.
Meanwhile, you make a little portion, all of you, about the Mediterranean. Yes. We do have a tour of the Mediterranean. For this next year, we have, we're going to do it for 2027, we're going to do it in September. And we're going to start in Valencia, then we're going to go to Menorca and then to Mallorca. It's a magnificent tour to discover that Spanish Riviera. Okay, so if you want to know about that, about this tour, just check my website, travelinsteps.es. Give me a call, direct message on Facebook, on anywhere, and we can talk about the tour. It's really
perfect.
An amazing tour. Let me turn the camera around. Take a look at that beauty. Oh my God. Sorry, Rami. Okay, so that's it. Let's say thank you very much for joining us this week. As you can see, it's a very easy summery salad, and it's vegan.
And then you can make it and keep it in the fridge for some hours.
Yeah. So you can do it in the morning and eat it at night for the dinner.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, we love you all. Hopefully you have enjoyed. Thanks for following us. We shall see you next week.
Okay, take care.
Adiós, amigos.